Hi everyone, this is Alan back here from BMW Durham. In today's video I'm going to take you on a tour of BMW iDrive 8. This is our first time looking at it, so want to take a look and share that with you. And it is the pre-production iDrive 8, so I don't think everything there is fully functional, but still just want to take you on a tour with it. First time seeing it myself, so let's do it. Okay guys, I want to take you on a tour of BMW iDrive 8 on this beautiful curved display. Now this is my second time looking at this. I saw it yesterday, but I'm not that familiar with everything. So I can see down here it looks like we've got 62% charge. We've got the time, we've got the odometer, we've got the exterior temperature, and how many kilometers we can travel on that charge. Now I'm going to assume that we're going to see speedometer, we're going to see maybe power meter, maybe I'm not going to say a tachometer because it's an electric car. But over here, we're in the i4 right now, so down here I just want to see, we've got the iDrive controller with the touchpad on the top. We've got home, media, telephone, map, nav, and there's no button here where there was an app button before. And then we've got back and options. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on home. So let's click on home. So what we have here is we've got menu, media, telephone, navigation, and that's all that we can see here. And if we tilt the iDrive controller to the right, so then we've got these widgets. So this looks like a navigation widget, telephone, FM radio, personal assistant, my BMW. It looks like that's the calendar, weather, traffic conditions, route preview, and you can add a widget. So no further widgets available. Okay, and that's fine. So let's take a look at menu. So if we go to menu, we have Android Auto, we have Automate Habit, so I'm going to imagine that's going to be something to do with turning on or turning off the air conditioning or opening a window or what have you when you reach a certain place or a certain time. BMW Assistance, so that's for roadside assistance, customer support, accident assistance, Apple CarPlay, BMW ID, I'm going to imagine that's where you'd log in to your account. Charging, so this is probably where you can set, so charging mode, so we have charge immediately, you could also charge to set at peak hours. Departure plan with preconditioning, current limit, so you can limit how much amperes you're getting in at one time, charging target 100%, unlock charging cable, and fan loudness. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And climate control, so this is where we can set heated seat, fan speed, and fan direction, it looks like. And we've got air circulation. What do we have here in settings? Rear climate control, preconditioning menu, so that's pretty cool. Device manager, so this is where you'll probably go to add another phone. Looks like a bunch of people have tried adding their phones here. I may try that later on. For displays, so we've got heads up display, instrument cluster, and control options. So I just want to see in the heads up display. Okay, so this is all pretty well the same kind of stuff here. And we've got the, oops, wrong one. I wanted to get onto brightness, and brightness is already on 10. So that's the heads up display right there. I don't know if you see it right there or not, but that's what it is. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then we've got doors and windows. So anti-theft alarm, lock, unlock, comfort access, vehicle key, tailgate, driving settings. So that looks like that's going to be for driver assistance, different modes, yep. And for charging, exterior lighting, so turn signals, pathway lighting, welcome light carpet, that kind of stuff. So, okay. I saw that the welcome light carpet was on, but this is a pre-prod model. We have FM radio. What is live vehicle? Okay, so that's vehicle status, so checking control messages, tire pressure, that kind of stuff. BMW messages, the navigation. So we've got this nice new looking navigation here. And there's a couple of cool things. I saw that there was like an AR destination route guidance. Owner's manual. So that looks like it's got the same type of things as before.
Just looks a little bit different. Personal assistant menu, Sirius XM, Spotify, system settings. So touchpad pop-ups, getting started, remote software upgrade, wireless charging tray. Okay, so this is the same stuff that we had in iDrive 7, but it's just been reworked. We've got telephone, weather, Wi-Fi connections, your service center, interior lighting. So just like we saw in the iX, there's a whole bunch of new colors for the ambient lighting. So we've got New Era Bronze. It said bronze in the iX. We have Showtime Yellow. We've got Energizing Red, Fanatic Pink, Quiet Time White. It just said Quiet Time in the iX. Vitalizing Turquoise, Night Ride Green, Sunset Drive Orange, Electrifying Blue, Brightness, Reduced for nighttime driving, and Dynamic. So that is not unlike the current ones. Now for vehicle apps, okay, so these are just separating some of the apps that were in the all apps. Now if we go to media radio, you have FM, and I guess we can choose Sirius, Spotify, mobile device. So that's pretty cool. Now in telephone, so looking for a device, we'll have to connect the telephone. I'm sure that you'll be able to call people from your contacts. You'll be able to get back to people and possibly text people if your phone is compatible with that. And we've just take a look at the nav again. So you know what? All in all, it's actually not that different, but you have a climate menu here. So you have that instead of having anything down here. So I'm not sure. I really liked actually having those programmable memory buttons. They're kind of iconic in BMWs. So to not have them here is a little bit strange. But all in all, let's see if there's anything else that I can show you in the iDrive menu. So yeah, we've got temperature on off, right? Fan, put the fan up and down, put the temperature down. Changes the background once I got into a colder temperature. Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Alright, so that was BMW iDrive 8. It looks pretty exciting. I can't wait to see it on more models coming up. Right now, it's still something I've got to learn, but I'm getting more and more familiar with it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.